that we like, so they have a picture of that in the chat as well. So let's do that as well.
Okay.
And you can always open this to feel the texture.
But they're gonna put the exact thing to the problem.
Yeah, your logo. And then obviously you're gonna have to send the QR code if you're gonna do that one.
This is nice. Huh?
It's a good idea. I haven't seen that much in shirts, honestly, as a tag.
They won't scan it though, but because we do that a lot in
And
at
then
the store.
scan.
Nobody scans it.
Uh,
But it's a good idea if you're like really putting content out there. And I work in the weed industry too. You know, we try to promote with QR codes because there's a lot of deals.
yeah,
Nobody
scans. You gotta have someone on your team telling people. Like, hey, don't forget to scan because you get
for example, we have events, and in the flyers we have like QR codes.
Yeah. To reserve or something. Yeah, they still ask.
Yeah.